Hi guys, good evening. So welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are as usual to our routine every night, every day. So please subscribe my channel and like our video. And syempre, thank you so much po. So, as a mom, napaka-importante ang breastfeeding sa ating mga children, mga anak, kid, diba? So, lagyan natin yung mga babies natin. Baby nga makukulit, turn. Okay? So, we are here. Oh my God, yung kilikili ko maitim. So, shout out to all moms. Mga breastfeed dyan. Okay.